In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export high-quality vertical videos for Instagram from Premiere Pro. Let's begin by opening the export settings with your timeline active. Go to the top menu and choose File, then Export, then Media. If you prefer shortcuts, use Ctrl+M on Windows or Command+M on a Mac. This brings up the export window where we'll make all the key adjustments that keep your video looking sharp on Instagram. In the Format dropdown, select H.264. This creates an MP4 file which Instagram prefers and which plays reliably across devices. H.264 delivers a great balance of quality and file size, and it's widely supported, so it's a safe choice for posting and sharing. Next, set your frame size to 1080 by 1920. That's the vertical 9:16 aspect ratio used for Reels and Stories. If you see the numbers reversed, make sure the width is 1080 and the height is 1920 to keep it vertical. This ensures your video fills the screen on mobile without awkward borders or cropping. For frame rate, 30 frames per second is a solid default that looks smooth in the Instagram feed. If your original footage was shot at a different rate, feel free to match it for consistency. Instagram also supports 60 frames per second, which can look extra fluid, especially for motion-heavy clips. The key is to avoid unnecessary conversions that can introduce judder. Now let's dial in bitrate settings. Choose VBR 2-pass. With 2-pass variable bitrate, the first pass analyzes your video and the second pass allocates bits more intelligently, giving you better detail where it matters without bloating the file. Set the target bitrate to around 10 to 12 megabits per second. This range keeps fine textures and text crisp while keeping file sizes manageable. If your footage is especially detailed and you want maximum sharpness, you can nudge the target a bit higher. Just note it will increase the file size. Under extra options, tick render at maximum depth and use maximum render quality. Maximum depth helps preserve gradients and reduces banding, while maximum render quality improves scaling and fine edges. Both can add render time, but they pay off in cleaner results, which is important when your video is viewed full screen on a phone. Finally, name your file, confirm the extension is .mp4, choose a save location you'll remember, and click export. That's it. With these settings, you'll get a high-quality vertical MP4 that's ready to post to Instagram and looks as good on mobile as it did on your timeline.